Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the third video lecture of classroom maths. Now the question here on page number 8 says tick the color in which 3/4 of the parts of the figure are colored. In the first one it only has two parts, so not 3/4 of its part can be colored. So this shape will be ticked. Now it has four parts and three of them are colored, so you have to tick this shape too. Now this shape, the kite here has four equal parts, but only one of them is colored, so it will not be ticked. And and these two only has two of the part color, so they will not be selected. Now he's saying that shade 3/4 of each shape. Now it has four equal parts, so three of them will be colored like this, and you have to fill them. I don't really have colors on me, so three of them, this shape will be colored too, and three parts of this shape too, and three parts of this shape too, they will be colored. Now that was today's assignment. Tomorrow I will be here with some more solution to some more problems. Until then, Allah Hafiz.